Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the solution to the problem of poorly printed colors on the Epson L3250 printer. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you'd like to further support this content, you can also become a channel member. Now let's get started. At some point, we've all had problems with color printing on an Epson printer. That's why in this video, and in simple steps, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. The first thing we're going to do is completely turn off the printer. Once it's off, press and hold the cancel button for 3 seconds. After that, the power button will start blinking. This indicates that the printer is performing the automatic cleaning process. This process takes approximately 5 minutes. When it's finished, the power light will stay solid. This means that the cleaning process has completed successfully. Now we're going to perform a color test to check if the problem has been solved. To do this, turn off the printer again. Once it's off, press the power button and the cancel button at the same time for 3 seconds, until the power button starts blinking. Place paper in the printer tray. The printer will print a color test page. Here you should check whether the colors are printed correctly. If the colors are still not correct, you will need to repeat the entire process. It's important to note that if, after several attempts, the colors continue to print poorly, a manual printhead cleaning will be required. This usually happens when the problem occurs repeatedly. And that's it, guys. I hope this video has been helpful. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.